Here we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C220 CDI AMG Sport Edition Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels. We also have the polar white exterior paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, the Mercedes badge in the centre of the grille just there. Round to the passenger side you'll find the second alloy wheel. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the brush metal trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the pano glass roof, which is currently open just there. We also have the shark fin antennae. We have the rear spoiler lip as well just there. Front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well. We have the exhaust just at the rear. And back around to the driver's side you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, inside of here you'll find that we have the half leather interior with the white and blue stitching just there, as you can see. 2 seats at the back and 2 seats at the front. Back seats have the fixed ISO points just there as well. Now the driver's side is electrically adjustable and both of these front seats are heated as well. We have the electric windows, we also have the electric mirrors, we have the auto lights just there. A multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on either side, as you can see. We also have the stalk down there for the speed limiter and the cruise control. We have a digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, along with the main infotainment screen in the centre console, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the radio, we have the phone connectivity as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you would like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.